Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kofi. I am a student of planning and GIS, and on this channel I talk about how to do mapping with ArcGIS, GeoGIS and ArcGIS Pro. So if you are interested in this topic, kindly subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell icon and like this video. Thank you very much. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to select by location. I have a video of how to select by attributes. Yeah, so sometimes you need to do some selections. So we have these health facilities in GKMA. What if you only want the health facilities in this particular boundary? Only the health facilities in this particular boundary or this. How can you do that? Yes, you can do that by using the clip. You can use the clipping tool to actually do it. I have videos where I actually apply the clipping, but that is not what we are going to do. This video is purposely for selection by location. Yes, and in my query video I actually use the same data and I use location by query to actually select the health facilities. Yes, so you can check that video out to know how to use the two of them, how you can select with query. That video teaches you that. Today we are going to do selection by location. So these are the health facilities. Let's say I only want the health facilities that are located in this particular boundary. How do I do that? Okay, so I can select it like this. Do you get it? Have you seen this particular selection? Select features. You can use it to select it, or you can actually right click on that particular boundary like this. Then you go to the attribute table, then you select it over here. It will select for you. So that is Quabre. So now that I have selected Quabre, I'll just come here, right click, go to selection, create layer from selected feature. So I have created that layer, so I can just click over here. The selection is gone. I have gotten Quabre East on its own, so I can just Quabre. Do you get it? So now I want to select only the health facilities within Quabre. Do you get it? Only the health facilities within Quabre East. So selection by location. You go to selection, location. Do you get it? So they will ask you target layer, select from. So there's the target layer. The target layer is the health facilities. So you take that one. Do you get it? And when you come here, what is the source layer? My source layer is the Quabre East. Then you come here, Spatial Selection Method for target layer features. You see there it has touched the boundary of the source layer, and they also have intersect the source layer feature. Do you get it? And it has also are within the source layer feature. It is what? Within the source layer feature. Do you get it? These health facilities are within the source layer. Do you get it? It also has, they also have another one, are completely within the source layer. Do you get it? And they also have intersect. Do you get it? So all these work. Do you get it? Are distance of the source feature. Are distance of the source feature. Do you get it? Are within a distance of the source layer. That is why all these have been selected. So all these are within some certain distance with the source layer. Do you get it? But let's say we want only are completely within. Do you get it? Have you gotten it? So that is how we do selection by location. So when you select it, you can just come to the health facility, then you create layer from selected feature again, then you use it for whatever you want to use it for. Do you get it? In my previous video I actually exported them and created map from them. Yeah, so that is how we do the selection by location. Thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.